Let's begin sitting in a comfortable, easy seat at the center of your mat. Relax your shoulders and place your palms face down on your knees. Close the eyes and take a deep inhale and a big exhale as you arrive here with yourself, with your breath. Twice more, big inhale, big exhale. One more inhale, and a gentle exhale. Allowing everything to get quiet. Lean a little bit to your right. Lean a little bit to your right, to your left. And lean a little bit to the front. Lean a little bit to the back. And then come back to your center. Feeling nice and grounded. Reach your arms out to your side, touching your fingertips onto the earth. On an inhalation, flip the palms up towards the sky. Reach the arms up, bring your palms together. Exhale, bring them right to your heartbeat. Dip the chin and take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Twice more. Inhale and exhale. Last one, inhale and big exhale. Beautiful. Softly blink your eyes open. Look to your right, bring that right hand down, lean on into the forearm. It's okay if that right hip comes up, or left hip rather. And reach your top arm up, maybe reach it over the ear, look down, and breathe really big. Nice lateral stretch here, just opening up, nice and gentle. Beautiful. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, switch sides. Look to your left. Plant the left hand down. Let the forearm catch you. It's okay if the right hip lifts. And take the top arm up towards the sky. Reach the arm over your ear. Little sway here. Look down. And breathe, breathe, breathe. With every exhale, relaxing the jaw, the face, the shoulders. Really connect to your breath. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Walk your hands behind you. Plant them down. On an inhale, maybe pick up the hips. Lift the chest, open the chin. Exhale, bring your seat down. Look forward, bring your hands in front of you, coming into a forward fold. Allow your chin to dip into the chest and a gentle sway left and right as you breathe into the back of the lungs. Slowly walk your hands over to your right, hovering over the right side, breathing, breathing, breathing. And just explore here with the breath. And then exhale, walk it over to your left and breathe. Just observing the difference on each side. And then inhale, come back to center and slowly round and curl, lengthening the spine, coming back to your center. Good. And then let's come into tabletop for dancing lion. So you're going to move your hips in a giant circle over to the right, forward to the left and back. Drop the head and neck and really move organically here with your breath. So breathing big, inhaling, circling, and exhaling, really loosening up synovial fluids in the joints. Switch the direction of your circle and breathe. You might hear some cricks and cracks. Send the hips forward and back and breathe. Awesome. Come back to center. Gently squeeze your belly, tuck your toes, lift your hips. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Awesome. Breathe. So right away, pedal it out in downward facing dog. Shake your head yes and no. Good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Allow the heart, the chest to melt towards the thighs. Sway the hips and let this movement, this opening, be very organic as you connect with your breath. Good. Big breath in and big breath out. And then inhale, come high up on your toes, round and curl forward to high plank. Align the head, heart, and hips. Look down. And then gently release your left knee to your mat for modified side plank. Pivot your right heel down, planting the foot. Bring your right hand to your right hip. Again, find that alignment, head, heart, and hip. And then reach the top arm up towards the sky. Really engage through the right quadricep. Breathing, breathing, breathing. Take the top arm over the ear, reach the fingertips forward. And then an option, variation here is to pick up the right leg, flexing the foot. And then option 3, you can take a bind, bend the knee, reach the hand back, grab the ankle, top of the foot. And if you're in the bind, tuck the tailbone right away, arching through the spine. And breathe for this variation. Explore. So it's a journey. Yoga is a journey. Wherever you are is perfect. And then release. Good. Look down. Plant that right palm down. Come back to center. Tuck your toes. Squeeze your belly. Downward facing dog. Good. Breathe. Connect to your breath here. And come back to your center and enjoy the foundation of downward facing dog before we move on to the other side. Really connect to the breath. Beautiful. And then inhale, come up high on the toes, round and curl the spine forward, high plank, Phalakasana. Breathing, breathing. Every muscle in the body works for you. We don't have to think about it. Gently bring the right knee down. Pivot the shin behind you. Pivot the left heel down, planting the foot. Left hand, left hip. Find that alignment, head, heart, and hip. Reach your left arm up towards the sky, opening up that shoulder, and breathe. And then decide your journey. Maybe reach the arm over the ear, pointing the fingertips forward. You might pick up that left leg, flex the foot, stretching the body in opposite directions. Or variation 3, bending the knee, catching the foot, coming into that bind, arching through the spine, tucking the tailbone, and really feeling a hip opener, opening in the back, front of the body, and enjoy. One more big breath in. And exhale, slowly release. Plant the foot down, look down. Plant your left palm down, come back to center. Tuck your toes, squeeze your belly. Downward facing dog. Good job. Breathe. Exhaling it out, and then look forward and take gentle steps up to the front of your mat, coming into Uttanasana, forward fold. Really ground down through your feet. Squeeze your belly round and curl one vertebra at a time as you sway left and right, all the way up. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, bring prayer hands all the way down. Uttanasana, bow to the earth. Twice more, inhale, squeeze your belly round and curl all the way up. Good, inhale, reach your arms all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, forward fold, one long line of energy, bow to the earth. Inhale, squeeze the belly, round and curl. Take your time, sway left and right, all the way up. Inhale, reach. Exhale, graceful fold. Beautiful. Plant your palms, bend your knees. Step your feet back to the middle of your mat, mat width apart. Bring your hips down, coming into a Yogi Squat. Good. A little sway here, left and right. And then dip your right shoulder down to the inside of your right knee as you take your left arm up and open towards the sky and breathe. Good chest opener here. And then switch sides. Dip the left shoulder down on the inside of your left knee and reach that right arm all the way up. And breathe. You can always be in a block here too with the hips. And good. Exhale. Come back to center. Walk your hands behind you. Bring your seat down, coming into Barakanasana Butterfly. Soles of the feet together, knees open. Walk your hands behind you, just like we started. Inhale, open up, lift the heart, the chin. Exhale, look forward, crawl it forward, forward fold as the chin dips into the chest, and breathe. Tapping into quietness here, softness. Really letting go. Slowly round and curl the spine. Come all the way up. Straighten the legs, shake everything out. Beautiful. And then crisscross, come right back into Sukhasana, easy seat. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and dip the chin. And take a big breath in. And a big breath out. And then reach your arms out to your side. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart center. And just enjoying a few more moments of peace that we've created here on the mat with our breath before you go back out into the world. Thank you so much for trusting me to guide your practice today. Namaste. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for today's Get Zen in 10 practice. I hope you felt the shift in your energy in just a short time, how powerful yoga can be on our nervous system in such a short time. And I have our angel card for the week. So I've been doing this, kind of picking just a message for you for the week. And let's see what we got. Ooh. Harmony. So when I see harmony, this means all is well. So there may have been a situation or a conflict or something going on that has been a challenge for you and causing some stress, some worry, fear, anxiety. This is your sign that all is well. Situation is resolved or will be resolved, and just keep the energy of peace washing over the whole situation. So it's a beautiful card. Thank you again for joining me. Let me know if you like these little angel card messages, something a little different. And if you like this practice and you're enjoying the practices on this channel, please be sure to click the like button, hit subscribe, and join me right back here. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.